Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. This is Baljit, and this video we are going to replace a 5-stage water filter system. We're going to replace all the filters. It's look like really simple, but it is not. Actually, I'm going to tell you a little story about it. Last week I took this system out so I can see what the model numbers and filter size so I can order the filters. Since I opened it out, there was a lot of stuff inside build up. I cleaned it out. After cleaning out, I put it back and my water taste got totally different. So I ordered new filters. Filters came in today. We will be replacing. But we also need to know how the water flow, which way you drink, which one's supposed to be drained. So by mistake, if you connect those hoses like different places, you are drinking water, the one's supposed to be go to the drain or something else. I tried to find a video can direct me, but I didn't find any video like that. But in this video, we're gonna go step by step. We're gonna replace all the filters. Also, I will guide or I will point my finger the way water flow in this system. Right now, I don't trust like this system is working properly or the water lines are connected properly. We have to read all the inlet outlet labels if there's any. If not, I will find out, then I will go step by step. I also have a pressure tank here, because this water filter have not that much pressure. It's work really slow. So when we're not using water, so it's keep feeding to the tank and tank build up pressure when you need to fill water bottles or a cup. So the pressure from the tank, it goes back to your faucets. So as you can see, I have it here. I have this faucet and this one is drinking. So first thing we're gonna do, we will shut down main water coming to the filter system, drain all the water from the tank. Then I will disconnect, take them off, and we will talk about it. Here we have a whole assembly. I pull it out. It was just a hanged. I disconnected all the hoses, and now we're gonna see how water is supposed to be flow. This side, if you can see, is some 5 microns of filter. Water inlet goes in, go to this filter, comes out, go to the carbon filter. From here, it goes to the pressure valve located in behind, which one is under those filters. Then is feeding to this filter and this one. This one is just a washout, and from this side, it go to the drain. And then from here, water goes to either go to the tank or go to the faucet. So this side end go to the faucets. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna show you I have all the filters ready to go. We're gonna disconnect one by one, replace filter, then we will assemble. So here I have all the filters ready to go. I bought in bulk. I'm gonna change after 6 months or sooner I need it. The first one, you can see this one, the first one, when water gonna go in, is 5 microns filter. I bought 4, I need only 1. I will use rest later. And this one, carbon filter, 1 micron. This one gonna be the second one. I have 2 of these. This 50 GPD. It's matching the same specification on my filter system, pressure, temperature, and everything. And the last one is inline filter. So now, as you can see, inline filter just comes with a couple quick disconnect. I have to figure it out. If not, I'm not sure about this one, if it's gonna fit or not. If not, I will use my old one and we will reorder. But for now, I have all the filters ready to go. I have a breakdown that assembly. On the top, you can see it shows in, out, in, and out. For this one, I will be changing these one first. You need a tool like that. It comes with the system. I have already there. So we're gonna put it under, spin, and both open, remove old one, clean it out, put a new one in. I have removed those filters out of the assembly, and I found a problem of why my water taste was not really good. I believe that was the issue, but I'm not sure right now. We're gonna put it all in order and figure it out. As you can see, this one says 5 microns. When I cleaned last time, I think I put this one this side, and this is the 5 microns. It's supposed to be like this. There's only one thing you guys need to understand. Those 2 buckets, they're identical. They can be switched. So I believe I put filters on the same buckets where I took it, but I just swapped those. But in this time, we're gonna put a right filter in the right order, and after that, we'll see how the taste go. So as it shows on here, this one is the 5 microns. I'm gonna put it here. Carbon filter goes here. The other thing really important, you need to make sure you don't lose those gaskets. There are also instructions you store upside down so you don't lose gasket. If you lose gasket, it might gonna keep leaking. At the first point, you're not gonna know, but after build up a pressure, it's gonna leak. It's gonna make a mess under your sink. So now I have a gaskets, everything ready to go. I'm gonna put it back in. Next one, these two filters. This side is in the main where you replace filter. You have to remove these one to put a filter inside and take it out, and that's the pressure valve. It also says in and out, so water need to go in, come out here. So here, this filter I pulled out from here. This one really tricky. You need to understand how the filters work. I was not knowing before, but I have done a lot of study. So as you can see, this filter has some loop here, something, which when water will flow from here, goes to other side, and from here, if you see inside the middle, is really hard to see. The water will come out from here like a drinking water, and the water from the outside, whatever build up outside, as you can see this one, over time, I think I have a time, you can run water inside, wash it out, and it will come through here, which one goes to the drain. So basically, this filter is self-cleaning filter. Drinking water goes through and comes out here, go to the faucet where we're gonna drink, or inline filter from the outside, whatever build up, like this material, it will be get washed out and go to drain. So I have a new filter. I'm gonna wash really good from inside. As you can see, it's dirty. Then we're gonna put new filter in, and this one too. This one don't have a washout, but it also have a drain, which one will be connected through the valve to this one and then go to the drain. So as we have mentioned before already, that's the filter. You're gonna go like that. Water gonna flow in. Whatever gonna be built up, it's gonna be trapped inside, and then it's gonna be washed automatically and go to drain. So this one, you need to make sure you buy right size. Now is the last filter, inline water filter. But our new filter, it doesn't come with any fitting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer a fitting from old to the new one. So I put a side by side, this fitting go here, this one will go here. I will use some Teflon tape. I'm not sure they used before, but I don't wanna take any chance of leaking water. So now I'm going to transfer all the fittings, then we will do the next process. So now is the most important part. As you can see, I have a face this side and mount on the back side. Main water goes from this side to here, and I have a stacked all filters, and the last one is inline filter gonna go back because I also have to hook up pressure switch, pressure valve, which one gonna put the overflow or more high pressure or low pressure. So I have a stacked up filter system, hooked up all the hoses, all the connections. I'm gonna walk through one more time because that is my big questions. I was keep struggling finding videos, somebody can help me. There was a lot of good videos, but none of video shows really about how to hook up and how the filter system works. But now let's walk through again. As I say, 5 microns filter, carbon filter. Then we have a 50 GPD, I'm not sure what is that one, that filter. Then pH filter and inline filter. So I have all stacked up, and behind I have a pressure valve. Okay, so the main water gonna go through here. It's gonna flow to this filter, fill it up, go out. It also have a little labels on the top, say in and out, gonna go here. From here, water gonna go out. I have a go to the valve. Add one connection. This is dual valve. It can take 2 time in and out. You're gonna find a single one From here, it comes this way. It comes to the bottom filter, which one is 50 GPD filter. It also clean up stuff like whatever build up here. It will go to the drain. I'm gonna explain you right now. So from here, where it goes this way, there's two outports. One again go to the top of the valves. The second one here, over time, it's gonna keep draining, cleaning those filter system. From here on the top goes to the pH filter. From the pH goes from here, it will go to inline filter. This output go to the tank, and this will be the drinking water. Once you open a faucet, the drinking water gonna come through here. You can fill your glass, bottle, whatever. Once you close, the water gonna start flowing to the tank, build up a pressure for future, because this system, you're gonna get really low pressure water out of the system because it has to be go through a lot. Now I have a mount here. I'm gonna mount under the sink. Then we're gonna make all the connections. So here I have mounted my filter system already under the sink tank here. I'm gonna walk through one by one, like this one. If you follow, that's the valve. A dew valve go to my ice maker, and from here, green pipe, green 1/4-inch hose, quick disconnect. It's gonna go here. It's inlet water. The main water will flow through here. So main water will goes in, comes out, whatever the way we have talked about already. So here we're gonna hook up. As you can see, I have a tank here. Valve is closed right now. That's clear hose. It just comes through here. I'll have to reroute. So now I got enough hose here to connect. I will connect here. I just put it here right now, but I will double check all the hoses are connected really good. So I don't want to have a water leak after. So hooked up here, this one now drain. As we talk about, drain gonna go here on this filter. I have a drain plug I'm gonna connect here. The last one will be drinking water. That's pretty simple. Goes to the faucet, drinking faucet. But mine, I have a split. It also goes to my refrigerator. Let me hook up both. First thing I'm gonna do, I will open valve, wait for a couple minutes to fill whole system and to see if there's any water leakage. Also, I will clean any water dripped already here. So after that, if there's any water gonna drip, I will know. As you can see, I even didn't turn the water on. There's some water. Maybe I have some inside the filters. Now we're ready to start our system. Water is on and I can hear it's filling. So now my water filter system is ready to go. I have hooked up and everything. I got one issue I just want to mention. When I hooked up and it filled up, but I didn't see any water coming out of the faucet. So what I have to do, I have to disconnect the one by one check, but I found the pressure valve. Actually, I have trapped a lot of air inside. So that's why it was detecting high pressure or something. I have to take it off, prime one by one all filters, and then I got water out of this one. Then I hooked up to inline water filter and to the drinking. First, when I turn on faucet, I see black blue kind of water. I let it run for like maybe 5 minutes and water got clean. And I also turned on my tank. Before I turned off my tank because I don't want to have it like dirty water or the color water go to inside the tank. So today we have finished already our water filter system. It was not easy. It was a lot of tricky and a lot of things we need to keep in mind. I drink the water already and taste is really good the way it was before, a lot better than before. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.